Right on the other side of your thought is your change. To change is to be greater than your body, to be greater than your environment, and to be greater than time. When you do that, your biology changes in the most wonderful ways. And the moment you feel unlimited, the moment you feel grateful, the moment you feel abundant from the experience, now you are teaching your body emotionally to understand what your mind has intellectually understood. And that is that you are the creator of your life. So our job then is to go from philosopher to initiate to master, from knowledge to experience to wisdom, from mind to body to soul, from thinking to doing to being, to learning it with your head, applying it with your hands, knowing it by heart, believing, behaving, becoming.